So again, I was able to basically make my hole, um, you know, just old fashioned using a pair of thin snips. And I don't have my hole saw for it, so I simply don't want to go to the store. So So again, you guys can double tap to like up the live also. It costs you nothing to double tap to like up the live. It's pretty much free. So basically what I'm doing, because this box is metal, I'm simply filing down the edges that I basically removed. That way there's no sharp edges or anything like that. I'm going to make the edges as smooth as possible.